Let's dive right into planning your week like a true entrepreneur. It's Sunday, and that means it's time to set ourselves up for success. The first step? Choose one big goal for the week. Think about what you want to achieve. Maybe it's posting 3 new digital products, landing 2 freelance clients, or recording and scheduling 5 TikToks. Whatever it is, make it specific. Clarity beats everything. Write it down and keep it front and center. Once you have your big goal, it's time to break it down into 5 micro actions. Map each task to a day of the week. For example, Monday could be dedicated to research, Tuesday for design, and so on. This approach eliminates decision fatigue and helps you build momentum. You'll know exactly what you need to do each day, making it easier to stay focused. Next, lock in 3 daily non-negotiables. Each day, commit to completing 3 small tasks: 1 money-making task, 1 brand-building task, and 1 mindset or learning action. This is your triple stack strategy. It keeps you moving forward without risking burnout. Even on busy days, these small wins add up and keep your momentum going. Now, let's talk about the 3 of 5 rule. Aim for 3 hours of deep work, 5 days a week. If you can stick to this consistently, even part-time, you'll start to see real income stacking up. To make this work, put your phone in another room, set a 60-minute timer, and dive into focused work sessions. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you eliminate distractions. Finally, Saturday night is your time to reflect and adjust. Ask yourself what worked, what didn't, what can I do better next week? Remember, success isn't about being perfect. It's about learning quickly and making small pivots each week. Planning your week like this is what separates passive dabblers from serious income builders. So, take a moment to drop your number 1 goal for the week in the comments. Let's hold ourselves accountable and make this week count.